Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Welcome to my channel. Today I will discuss what is union. First thing is what is structure. What is structure? Structure is a variable which can hold different types of value and grouped into single unit is called structure. Then in structure, how we declare the structure? Now we declare structure like as this. Will be write struct and structure name. This is the structure name, and here you give the starting curly braces, then data type and member one, then semicolon, then data type, member two. This time we declare the structure. Then all of you know what is structure. Structure is a combination of different types of data member which hold different values and grouped into single unit is called structure. Then now we will discuss what is union. Union is a variable which hold any type of value. Union is a variable which hold any type of value and it is also same as structure declaration. Clear? Then how to declare? Same type. Union name, then starting curly braces, and also give the data member one and data member two, like this, and bracket close, and declare the union variable suppose u1. It is same as structure and union, both are same, but still there is some difference. What is the difference? First is there is two difference, basic two difference that are, first is structure members are allocated individual memory space. Structure members are allocated individual memory space, whereas in union members are shared same memory location. Structure members are allocated individual memory space for each member, whereas union members are shared the same memory location. That means all members of union are shared same memory. Suppose here I declare union E1, then suppose I is the X, float Y, char CH, suppose 10. Clear? Then here this E1, this union E1 create a memory and share among these three members. Then question is how much memory it will be create and share these three. Now union size is what? Now what is the how much memory to allocate and what is the size of the union? Union size is what? Now the largest data member size is the size of the union. Then which is called largest data member size? Char CH10. This is the CH is the data member and its size is 10. That means it will allocate the memory of 10 bytes, which will be shared among of the all data members, and all data members will be used in that location. Clear? Got it? Then but in structure, what is done in structure? Structure structure, structure. So struct. Suppose I have taken a student. So struct. Suppose here declare. Suppose S. Then here suppose I will declare int x float y. Then char ch 10. In this case, what will happen? Now suppose I have declared u s1. Suppose here will declare the u1. Clear? Then suppose here declare suppose u, only u. Then what is the size of this u? The size of the u is what? Size of u is 10 byte. That means the data member which is maximum. Then this is the size of the union. That means all data members will be shared among this. All data members will share above this your memory of 10 bytes. Then structure S is what? Now in S. Now what is the size of this? Now I have told you here, structure members are allocated individual memory space for each member. That means it will be allocated individual. For X is the what? Now 2 bytes. Suppose. Then Y is the suppose 4 byte. Then Y is called 4 bytes. Y is the 4 bytes. Then this CH is the 10 bytes. Then what is the size? Now S1 is size is what? Now 10 plus 4, 14 plus 2, 16. Total 16 bytes. Clear? Then size of the U is 10 bytes. Size of the S1 size is 16 bytes. Then what you know? Now there we got the two solutions between two differences between structure and union. Structures, each member allocate a individual memory, individual space in the memory, whereas unions, which is the maximum size, will be allocated, and all data members will be shared among this memory. And second is what? Now structure, in structure all data members are used, whereas in union at a time only one data member used. The rest of will be what? It will ignore or store the garbage value. Which one is the used in the memory, and rest as well it will not assign, or it will be garbage collected. So what I will do now, you just see it. I will be showing one example that if in structure, if in union one data member we used and others that time will be garbage. So you check the program, then you can know the differences. I have again told you there is two differences. First is what? What is the size of the union and structure size, and at a time who hold how many values. Structure hold all the values, whereas union hold at a time only one value, and structure each members uniquely allocated the space individually, whereas your union only one memory created, and that will be shared among the all members. But what will what? Now it will be maximum, which is maximum size data member. That is called structure size. But here size union size. But here structure size is combination of all data members, and that is the size of the structure. Combination of the all data members is equals to the size of the structure. Then you see the program. I will show the program of union. What is the union? We just see here. Suppose I will create program gedit un.c. Then it will be created. It will be declared. Then I will write what? As include stdio.h. Then int main. Not main. First I will declare this union u1 un. Then declare what? Int suppose x. So I have declared char ch. Then int x. Then char str 10. Okay. Then I have closed it. Then declare u1. Then int main main. Then now I'll be initialize the value to the member like a structure. So I'll write what? u1 dot ch is equal to a. That means now my ch data member is active. Then I'll be stored in the another variable. Suppose u1 dot x equal to 5. Then after what will happen? Now first time it is used in the memory active. Then when you store the x value 5 into x value, this will be outed from the memory. That means it will be garbage. But now this variable is used in your memory. I have told you that union is a variable which hold at a time one value only. That means if you are writing x equal to 5, then previous one will be ignored or it will be stored to garbage value. Now I want to display the x value, printf percentile d, then x. What will display? You see, just it will display 5. It will display the 5. You see here, I have saved it. Then I will go to the compile it. gcc un dot c. Then x is on declare. Why is x is on declare? Because here I have int x. Not, you cannot write the x. You write u1 dot x. Then save it. Then go to the here. Then I will compile. Yes, it is successful compiled. Then slash a dot out. It will display the 5. Okay, it will display the 5. Then I want to display. That means this variable is used. Previously this variable is used and it will be active in the memory. Now this now x variable is active. When x will you have used, that ch will be garbage collected. That means it is not used in memory, so it does not hold any value. There is one memory. Previously in this memory ch will be stored. Now store the x value, ch will be garbage collected. Garbage. So ch will be not hold any value, to hold the garbage. Then I want to display ch, whether previously used this variable display the value or not. So I want to display that ch value. See, printf percentile c slash n. Then what? I'll write the x u1 dot ch. You see, it will be never display garbage value. You see, yes or no? You see just whether it is true or correct. I will save it. Then go to terminal and I will be compile. You see, yes. Have you seen? This memory is display the 5, but this is does not display any value because this memory is previously used, but now x is used and this previous one will be disappear in the memory. So now suppose again I will be what? Now store the value in str. Then how to store the value? For this I will write hash include string.h. Okay, then I will write what? Now str cpy str, then comma, suppose a r u p. Then again I want to display the x value, whether this x value is displayed or not. Then again I will do, now this line will be copied and print whether now I have used the this str, means u1 dot str data member. That means now this data member is used, then previous one will be ignored and this will be not displayed. Then you see what will display the output. See, it will be display the garbage value. Why it display the garbage value? Because of now we are using str. That means u1.x, which was previously stored the value, it will be disappeared because now this will be share the memory location str variable. So union is a variable which hold at a time one value only, and with the size of the maximum data member size is called size of the union, and it will be accessed also same as structure data member, structure variable, And what is the difference between union and structure? Structures, each members allocated space in the memory, while union share the same memory location, and it is allocated which is the maximum data member, that is called its memory is allocated. And second is what? Structure, each elements store the memory and display the value, and all database we can use, but in union only one database can be used, which is currently used, and this is the difference between structure and union. I hope you have understand. If you will understand, then like and subscribe for getting the next videos. Okay, thank you.